What if you could publish urban land use maps directly from QGIS to web? And keep your entire planning team synchronized with real-time updates? With the MAPOG QGIS plugin, publish urban land use maps from QGIS, sync updates automatically, and securely share interactive maps with your team. Launch QGIS and create a new project. Add all the layers you want to publish. Go to Plugins, Manage, and Install Plugins. Search for MAPOG plugin and install it. Open the MAPOG plugin and sign in using your MAPOG credentials. To upload layers, open the QGIS to MAPOG section. Select Upload Layer to MAPOG. Choose Plus New Map to create a new map or select an existing map. Select the required QGIS layers and click Upload to MAPOG. Your layers are uploaded and synchronized with MAPOG. Now manage map access. Open Share Links. Copy the link or open the published map for verification. If required, click Make Private to restrict access. With story.mapog.com, open the MAPOG dashboard to access your uploaded map in MAPOG. Navigate to create and publish maps. Select the map you uploaded. Your QGIS data is now available as an interactive online map. Now customize your branding. Open Map Settings. Click Replace to upload your company logo or project image. Add a description if required. Adjust the logo placement and save your branding. Now configure and publish your interactive map. Click Preview and Share. Choose the map type as public or private. Generate a share link or use Embed Map to publish your interactive map securely. Configure the map settings including layout, theme, search, filters. Now collaborate with your team with existing mail ID and assign their role as editor or viewer. Invite members using their email addresses. Assign the appropriate role. Admin, full access to manage maps, layers, settings, and users editor can edit map content and update locations based on assigned permissions. Others can only view the published map and its latest updates. Send the invitation to grant access. With the MAPOG QGIS plugin, you can publish QGIS maps online, manage access securely, and collaborate using always up-to-date interactive maps. For assistance with MAPOG or GIS workflows, contact support at mapog.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GIS and mapping insights.